Is this the worst you've ever seen it?
Yeah, I've never seen it move this much. It'll be next March before they'll actually have stock, an abundance of stock. Right now, everything that comes off the line just goes into trucks and ships out.
That's all I need to know, guys. I'm purchasing more right now. We're trying to figure out, do we call it, is this segment about earthquakes, about fires, derechos? Like, you know what? This is just a disaster trade. That's what it is. This is the ultimate disaster trade because it's about like the perfect storm of disasters all colliding.
Whether it's heat in California or the derecho just plowing through the Midwest, this is a stock that affects all of them.
You're right, Dave. It really is a stock that affects
or is affected by all
of the above. So let's just start by look at what people are saying and let's try to find the trade in what they are saying.
Well, this one is saying that this is not cool, scary as hell. I'm smack in the middle of both. The blue dot is my location. Oh, that's not good.
This is highly representative of honestly hundreds of tweets that I've read across the Gulf and Louisiana. Generators are sold out everywhere. Now, what's fascinating here is you don't even need to wait for the hurricane to hit because all the generators are already sold out. The hurricane can just disappear. It can disappear. It's going to disappear eventually. Do I sound like anyone? It's going to disappear.
We'll just hope for a miracle. 1 week ago, Iowa got hit by the derecho. It's basically an inland hurricane. 14 million acres, 40% of Iowa crops destroyed. And you didn't even know about it because there's so much other BS going on in the world. Get your generators going. We have been without power for 3 weeks. We survived. Wasn't fun, but we got through it. You can too. Help yourself.
Dave, why don't we take a look at what people are searching for? So they know they're talking about generators, but are they searching for generators? Look at that pop, guys. Man, that pop, just so you know, that pop was not from California. It was not from the Gulf. It was not from Iowa. Let's look at Generac. Can we just look at a G-trend on Generac since we're talking about them?
Wow.
There you go. That's what we want to see, right? So, listen, I love this trade. The data certainly supports the trade. Look at that. That's where you're seeing it. I'm going to try to get someone from a generator dealer on the phone and just see if I can get some live data for us. Okay, guys. Let me try to do that right now. That could be interesting, right?
Here's the chart we were looking at for Generac.com. This is web traffic dating back to February of last year.
You can see that's definitely trending up. Definitely trending up. Year over year. I would say it's up like 20 to 30% or more year over year. And what's interesting is not a lot of people go to Generac. They're really just going to Lowe's, Home Depot, and they're calling a local generator place to get that done. My generator dealer won't even answer their phones right now.
Out of control. My question is it too late? Have we missed? It's already run up.
Right, Dave, so there's like this big run up from 135 to just under $200 here. Is that run up due to this event in Iowa?
No. So I mean, I'm not going to say that the stock's going up or down from here, but understand something. That run up is due to unprecedented sales of generators from April to June. Okay, that's what that run up is. And Generac came out with earnings. They killed earnings just as I knew they would. So that's what that run up is for. Now we have an entirely new mini run up that started last week, which is due probably partially to Iowa, a little bit based on this storm, a little bit based on California. But again, all the data continues to support sustained demand for generators that probably can't be fulfilled even. And I just see this as leading to a blockbuster quarter. Can the stock run up more than it should? I don't know. I don't look at stock price. That's not part of my methodology. Stocks tend to run up, way beyond where they should in this environment.
Yeah,
it is what it is.
That's my concern is have people,
data...
has everybody beat us to this trade? I mean, you were in it already. I didn't get in it last week, but it was already up 100% from
Dave,
April.
I'm still in the trade, and every day that I stay in the trade is essentially rebuying the trade that day, right? So every day I make a decision to not sell a stock is the same thing as me making a decision to repurchase that stock. There is absolutely no difference, and I made a decision to repurchase my Generac this morning. as I have every single morning for the last few months. I'm going to call this generator place. Let's see if they give us any type of good data here. Hey, Richard, do you guys do whole home generators?
We don't actually do it ourselves. I've got a master electrician to use.
Oh, okay. Is there are there available Generacs right now, or is it like a wait list?
There's a delay to get them. I've got them coming in, but nearly everything's sold that I've got coming in. I mean, they're going out as fast as they're coming in. So.
Why are they selling out? Like, I don't understand. Why are they selling out right now?
Well, I guess the hurricanes took out all the stock that Generac had, and so they just been trying to build the stock back up, and then sales have been taken off for some reason. Generac's trying to get another line going now to where they've got another assembly line going. I don't know if it's going to be up this week or next week, but they still think it'll be next March before they'll actually have stock.
Wow. Okay. All right. Well, thank you so much for your help. I appreciate it. Let me think about that if I can afford to wait here, and I'll give you guys a call back. Thank you so much, sir. I've seen enough, guys. Dave, Jordan, I've seen it. I am investing more in Generac right now. I'm actually increasing my Generac trade right this second.
I feel like Generac might be
So I
too
think
high.
he actually gave us a really interesting insight that we didn't know before, right? And that's that Generac is actually trying to expand their production capacity. And I think that's really telling.
That is super telling. He said it's going to be March of next year before they actually have them just ready to go, available. Until then, I think basically what that means, guys, is that Generac has pre-sold every single unit that they are capable of manufacturing from now till next March. You know what that sounds a lot like? Peloton, okay? So basically, we may just have the Peloton of energy right here, and that's all I need to know, guys. I'm purchasing more right now, and I feel pretty comfortable that if they've pre-sold every unit to distributors and retailers from now to next March, I can live with that. I can live with that risk-reward scenario, okay? And that's it.